Hey guys, this is your friend Sovik and welcome to my channel Clash Addict Captain's Corner. Today I'm gonna describe about the newly optimized array system. So let's see what's in the newly optimized array. First of all, the array exercise. Every day you will get 3 free chances, and when you complete 100 array exercises you will get a certain type of orange quality array. Now let's see what we will get from different infantry, cavalry, archer and siege arrays from different positions. Here from green we're getting load, gathering speeds, orange giving you health and damages, cavalry position 1 giving you health, infantry also, and let's see siege position 7, orange array giving you defensive damage and damage reduction, these type of attributes. Now let's see, that's the gateway of the array auction. Currently these are the arrays which is available for auction. Normally you can enter this array auction from an interface nearing the traveling merchant. You have one option more. Now let's see the automatic disassemble option. We need those disassemble to get synthesize outlines, which we need to synthesize different type of arrays. Now we are in the array pages. This is array page 1. There are total 5 array pages, and in each page you have 8 positions. Here's the array page 2. In 8 position you can use different type of arrays. These are the array page 2 attributes I have now, and these are the set attributes. I will talk about this later. First of all, let me complete the other features here. Here you can check what I have from set attributes and what I have randomly, because in bracket it is written that there is something set bonus. Here's the overview. That means what you already have in your kitty. 4 type of arrays. Infantry array here, you already have them. Currently I have them all. Cavalry arrays, archer, and here siege. You can check by position. Here let's see, siege array position 2 and 3 I have seen. Next is, now let's move towards one of the confusing factors which players normally talk about. Here's the array synthesize. Cavalry array 6, here it is. So remember, array can be synthesized with same type array, so cavalry with cavalry, and should be of same type. I'm synthesizing cavalry 6. Here I don't have enough array synthesize outline, so I need to disassemble some of unuseful ones. Here it is. Let me complete this process. Remember what I was telling before, cavalry with cavalry or infantry with infantry, this can only be synthesized, otherwise you can't. Both arrays should be on same position. Cavalry array 6 with cavalry array 6, infantry 5 with infantry 5. Now let's talk about the newly formed array. What attributes we'll get from the new array. It will completely depend on the 2 array you are using. You will randomly get attributes from those mother arrays you are synthesizing, and when talking about the color of the new array, also depends on the color of the mother arrays. Like here I had orange and blue, so I could get a orange, a blue or a purple. Here I got a purple one, so that's completely depend on luck. Now here is the newly optimized feature here. You can rename those array pages, total 5 array pages, you can rename them. To keep in mind, like you can write infantry array or cav array or archer array. You may write like attacking or defending array. Now these are the arrays you already have from different positions. This is 5 position array. Now here we talk about the bonuses we can get from the arrays. I will give example from the infantry only. So you can clearly see, if you have 2 orange infantry arrays in a single array page, you can get 9% of attack. Purple arrays will give you 6%, blue 4%, and green will give you 2% of bonus. Now 4 orange infantry will give you health bonus. 6 on a single page will give you damage. You can clearly see. And if you have all of them of same type and same color, you will get the 8th bonus. I mean, for infantry it's the throwing skills. Remember, this is an attacking skill. Your infantries will attack directly to the cabs. Before I end the video, let's have a look at the array synthesize once again, because many players have reported that this is the most confusing part. Notice one thing again here, both are infantry arrays and both type 6. This time I have enough synthesize outline. So here is the caution: you can get only one array after synthesizing, either the 2 mother arrays, any one of it, or the newly formed array. So between the 3 options I have to choose one, and other 2 will be deleted permanently. And kindly check the random attributes in the newly formed array. It is also from the 2 mother arrays, that offensive damage from the first one, and the other 2 attributes also from the mother arrays. So it will completely depend on the 2 you are trying to synthesize. So that's everything that I can tell you about the newly optimized array system. If you still have any problem in understanding, you can tell me in the comment section, and I will try to solve your problem there. In the comment section you can also tell me on which topic you need my next video. Remember guys, if someone is looking for a highly strategic game, Clash of Kings is a great example of it. I have added the link in the description. Players can install the game from there. If you find the video helpful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye and keep gaming.